Today I'll show you how to highlight muscles in a CapCut PC. First, go to the moment when the movement of the exercise begins. Then press the freeze button, which will create a screenshot of the video and put it on your timeline. Hold Alt and drag the screenshot one line higher to make a copy. Now in the top screenshot, go to the mask section and click Add Mask. I choose Pen and gradually circle the area you want to have colored. In this exercise, the biceps and brachialis. You can then grab and move individual points if you need to fine-tune the final result. When you are done, press Add Mask again and select Pen. We need to mark the other hand in the same way. Set the feather to 20 and go to the first mask and set it to 20 there too. Now click on Adjust and there on Curves. Choose a color. It could be blue, for example. But for this video, I'll leave it red. Just play around with the line a bit, or you can even combine the colors, but we won't need that now. Now that I look at it, I'll go back to the mask for a moment and play with the points a little more so that the color fits as precisely as possible in the places where it should be. Okay, the screenshot is a bit long, so I'll place myself in the middle and split it using Ctrl+B and delete half of it. I'll go to Animations, and I personally really like Flash In, so I'll select that and set it to 3 seconds. Now go to the Out section, and here I'll choose Fade Out, and also set it to 3 seconds. So, a perfect animation that will highlight your muscles. If you found this video helpful, you can support the channel by becoming a member or simply leaving a like and a comment. It really helps a lot. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.